Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we are building an egg and lettuce sandwich. Stay tuned, it's gonna be epic. First things first, get yourself a saucepan of water boiling. Eggs out of the fridge. Use a pair of tongs to lower the eggs into the water. One just exploded. It's important to note once the eggs are boiling in there to turn the stove off and then set your timer for 12 minutes.
Okay, 12 minutes and counting.
Butter, lettuce, some mayonnaise. Get out the knife ready to go. These leaves, get some bread. Clean up. And the eggs will be ready soon. Looking good. Start peeling them under some cool water. Let the water hit underneath the shell as you go. It makes for easier peeling. Get yourself a bowl, some paper towel. Paper towel, eggs in the bowl, dry off. Fork, dollop of mayonnaise or two, mash it all up. You can chuck a bit of curry powder on that if you like and mix that in as well, but I just feel like salt and pepper, mayo, done. There we have it. The best egg and lettuce sandwich ever. Happy isolation, folks. Stay safe out there. Wash your hands.